morning to all of my wonderful students. How are you? I know all of you are very fine. So, welcome again to our online video class. So, today is the turn for your grammar subject. And this is your Shahu ma'am who is going to teach you your grammar subject. So, very carefully listen to your Shahu ma'am what she is saying. Okay. So, today we are going to learn a very interesting subject. That is unit number 10, that is conjunctions. Conjunctions, otherwise known as, it is a joining words, otherwise known as joining words. So students, the title itself shows or says this the meaning of the this word conjunctions. Okay students, you just see con plus junctions. If we will omit con, then it is junctions. So junctions means it's a place which links or which joins two places. It means which links or joins two places. Okay. Similarly, in English grammar, conjunction also, if you very carefully observe the title, then you can see that in English grammar, the name, the title, the conjunction itself, it is a word. It is a word which joins or links or connects two words or groups of words or sentences. So, conjunction in English grammar is known as, it's a word which joins or links or connects two words or groups of words or sentences. That is called as conjunctions. Some of the examples, if I will give some of the examples, then it will be very easier for you for understanding what is conjunctions. Some of the examples of conjunctions are, look, and, but, then or, because, so, yet. Okay, so these are the some of the examples. Or one more is there are so many conjunctions, but in your second standard you just read very limited conjunctions. So these are the conjunctions. So these conjunctions or these words are used to join two words or two more than or more than two words, that is groups of words or two sentences. If you will go to the higher classes, then you very vividly you can explain, you can read or you can learn what is conjunctions and types, regarding the types of conjunctions. But in class 2 you just read only this much. Okay, you just remember one thing, that conjunctions means it's a word which joins two words or groups of words or sentences simply. So this is the definition. And some of the examples of conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so, yet, though. Okay, by using the word and, I will say that Hari is tall and fat. Okay, so here the conjunction is and. This conjunction, it joins two words like tall and fat. Hari is tall and fat. Okay, here is a boy who is tall, also fat. So these two words have been joined by the conjunction and. Similarly, using but, I can write Sita is tall, but Lila is shut. So here the conjunction is but. Shita is tall, but Leela is short. Okay. So here these two sentences, Sita is tall and Leela is short. So these two sentences have been joined by using but. These two sentences are different things. If some same things are available, like Hari is tall and fat also, that means regarding one person we are saying two things in that way and is used. But when two different things are joined, that is Sita is tall but Leela is short, so we use but. Okay. Next, or. Remember, or is used when choices are available, like is Tom is sorry is Tom reading or writing? Look, is Tom reading or writing? Here choice is available. That means nobody is. But that means whether Tom is reading or writing, we don't know. So choice is available whether he must be reading or writing. One of the activity he is doing. So here choice is available. So that's why or is used. It is the conjunction. Okay. Next, because. Because is used when we are talking of a region. Okay, when we are talking of region, like Rita can't drink tea. Rita cannot drink tea. Okay, because it is too hard. Look, here two sentences have been joined by using the conjunction because. Because shows the reason. Rita can't drink tea. Why she can't drink tea? Because it is too hard. That's why Rita can't drink. Okay. So this is the conjunction. So just remember this thing. Then so. By using so, we can write Tom is a boy, so he plays football. Okay, Tom is a boy, so he plays football. So because he plays football, why? Because so Tom is a boy, so he plays football. So is a conjunction. Similarly, using yet. Tom's sister is only 2 years old, yet she goes to school. That means, though Tom's sister is only 2 years, she is very small to go to school, still she is going to school. So, yet. So, here yet is used to join this sentence. Or by using though, we can also join these two sentences, like though Tom's sister is only 2 years old, she goes to school. Or by using yet, we can write like these things. So these are all about the conjunction. Remember one thing, and is used where liking, same things are available, but is used when disliking, different things are available. Or is used when choices is available, when reason is available, that at that time we use because. And conjunction is word which joins two words or group of words or sentences, that is called as conjunction. So now we will do the exercises. So see students, this is the unit number 10 conjunctions. By my handwritten note, I have made you to understand regarding the topic conjunctions, and this is the book text, your textbook. You just after the completion of this video session, you just go through this textbook, and the same thing which I have explained to you, the same thing is written here also. You just read after the completion of the video session. And now we will go for the exercises of the textbook. This is the exercise number 1. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. What you have to do? You have to underline the conjunctions. See, we sang and danced. Here same things are available. That means the same person is using both the things. Here and is conjunction. Govind is clever but idle. Some dislikings are available. That means he is clever but idle. So conjunction is but. Mohan or Harish has done this. Here choice is available. That's why it is or is the conjunction. He worked hard but he failed. He worked hard but he failed. But is the conjunction because this one is one sentence and this one is a sentence. Ashok passed because he worked hard. Ashok passed in the examination because he worked. Here reason is because he worked hard. That's why Ashok passed. So because is the conjunction. She must whip or she will try. Here or is the conjunction. He is old but works hard. What is the conjunction? Do you want to play or watch TV? Choice is available between two things. To playing or watching TV. So, or is the conjunction. Don't run fast because you will fall. Because is the conjunction. Will you have the book or the fountain pen? Choice is available. So, or is the conjunction. So, this is exercise number we have completed. Now, turn the page number 40 and we will start with the exercise number 2. See, this is exercise number 2. Okay. Choose the most suitable conjunction to fill in the blanks. So here 4 options are available and out of these 4 options we have to choose the right or suitable one. Okay. He is old dash weak. He is old and so there should not be or what because he is old and weak. So this one is the right answer. You write down and. Is this news true? Dash false. It's or. Then one not then and is not suitable one. So is not suitable one and because it's not suitable one. There is a choice. Is this news true or false? The horse eats grass. Dash the lion does not. But or and or because or. So here 2 different things are. So that's why the horse eats grass. But work hard dash you will fail. It's because or but or and. What will be the answer students? Work hard or you will fail. Here or. The wind is strong dash I am feeling cold. It's and or it's or it's but or it's because the wind is strong and I am feeling cold. So, and is the answer. The princess is fat dash ugly unlike the princess in stories. It's but or it's and or it's or it's because. The princess is fat and ugly unlike the princess in the story. So exercise number 2 is over. Now we will go for the exercise number 3.